Are you ready to unlock the secrets of nature's ultimate superfood? Introducing Moringa Magic, the all-natural way to supercharge your health and vitality. Derived from the nutrient-dense Moringa oleifera, fondly known as the miracle tree or nature's multivitamin, Moringa Magic is here to transform your health, one scoop at a time. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, Moringa Magic helps you boost your energy levels, manage your weight naturally, and support overall health like never before. From aiding digestion to regulating blood sugar, improving bone health, and enhancing your immune system, Moringa Magic delivers a comprehensive solution for your wellness needs. For centuries, traditional medicine relied on the Moringa oleifera plant to heal and energize. And now contemporary research confirms its incredible health benefits, making Moringa Magic a trusted leader in natural wellness. Unlike synthetic supplements, Moringa Magic is completely natural, safe, and effective. It's the all-in-one solution to help you feel revitalized every single day. And here's the best part, Moringa Magic is available now at over 60% off for a limited time. Don't wait, your journey to improved health starts today. Experience the magic of nature with Moringa Magic. Click the link below to order now and discover the healthier, more vibrant you.